I'm at Petchabun in Thailand, and I will take you guys to my journey in Petchabun. Petchabun is famous for the Thale Mall, you can call it. It's like sea of the clouds, and it's like a hill station in Thailand. It's like 400 kilometers from Bangkok, and now I'm gonna take you to my beautiful journey over there. Stay tuned. Alright, as soon as I reached Petchabun, I headed directly to Villa Pason. This is the hotel where I stayed. This hotel was pretty nice. I liked it a lot because they have their own special Starbucks. And in this hotel, I stayed at a camper van. Not in a room, but in a van which was actually decorated as a room. I'll show you in this video how beautiful that villa was. It was on the topmost location in that particular area, so you can get a very good scenic view while having coffee in there. Yeah, they also have EV station, and you can pretty much charge your car there. And this camper villa was nice. These houses you see in there, they are a bit expensive, but if you are going with your family or your wife, you can always have good time because they have jacuzzi and everything in this villa. So this is most recommended villa, but again it's a bit expensive in the top season. I tend to went in the rainy season, and I pretty much get a very reasonable price, and I liked it. And this particular trees you see here, they are only located in this particular mountain in Villa Pason. You might not see the same tree everywhere. So as soon as you go there, you get free morning tea, and this is the place I was talking about. There is some construction ongoing, but they have this Starbucks coffee and a restaurant, you can say, at the hotel, and with this beautiful view. I really like this cafe. It's so interesting. This is very good because they have a separate toilet, and also they had space for doing barbecue and all. I couldn't do it because I went in rainy season, and it was raining that day when I was in that hotel. Yeah, time to check out from this place. It was very nice. You get a western feeling on mountain. It's more like a hill station. Next, I went to the Big Buddha. So this is the place which is must visit. If you go to Petchabun, you should go this multiple Buddha statue, and it's very nice. It's also on top of mountain. I went second time, and I could see that some of the clouds were stuck there, and you will really like spending some time here. It's very nice place. After checking out from there, I went to this small restaurant on the way where I had my lunch. And you will find a lot of restaurants on the mountain where you can enjoy the scenic beauty and have food. And then I headed directly to this Khao viewpoint. Khao viewpoint is also a very nice place. I literally saw this cloud that are you watching in this video. Those clouds were formed at the time I was staying there. So it was a bit hot and then clouds were forming. So you can literally see the cloud formation in there. This is another must visit place. So wherever you are in Khao or Petchabun, you will always see this windmill. These windmill are located on top of mountain, and so which means you can see from anywhere. But it's must visit. If you go there, you should see these windmill close from your eyes. You will always want to see wherever you are in Petchabun. Hey, where are these windmills? I want to go there. Along with windmill, you will find this beautiful park. So this is another place that I would recommend you guys to go for sure. It's next to windmill. You just pay 20 baht and you can get some discount for coffee at that place. So I would recommend you guys to go there for sure. It was very beautiful place as well. All right, after that I went to my another villa. Next day I stayed in Imperial Villa of Khao on the mountain, and this villa was also nice. It was a bit old, but it was very beautiful, as good as Villa Pason. They had very good place for kids to enjoy. They have swimming pool, they have some sports activity as well, and as you can see the map, it's pretty big. I really like this place. So if you're going there, I would recommend you guys to visit this particular resort. It's not expensive as Villa Pason, but it's one of the best I like in Petchabun. So this was end of my small trip to Petchabun. I would go there again and explore more places because you cannot cover everything in Petchabun in one day. My idea for this trip was to get a very nice hotel, tour here by there for small places, enjoy the weather, and relax myself over there with my girlfriend. And yeah, that was really nice. Stay tuned.